Hello, this is Patrick with Lone Wolf Software, and this is a quick tutorial on how to configure and set up reminders in Contact Wolf contact management software. Now, what you see on your screen right now is Contact Wolf, and we have one of the records, Albert Abner, displayed. And we're going to go ahead and set a couple of reminders for Albert. One reminder will be a date-based reminder, which just means it's triggered only by the date, and the other one will set as a time-based reminder or alarm, which will only trigger when the exact date and time is matched. So first thing I should mention is the reminders in Contact Wolf can be set specifically for certain users, and you do that through the user ID. So if you go up to the Preferences menu and you go down to Set User ID, you see an option to actually set your user ID. You can enter anything, your name, whatever, for this. And this just means that if you're running Contact Wolf on a network and you're sharing the database, and you have multiple users, then if you set your user ID, the reminders that you set on your computer will only be displayed for you, and none of the other users will see them. Now, if you're not setting up Contact Wolf that way, where if you're just using it on your home computer, you don't need to worry about this. You don't need to set a user ID because it'll just remain blank, and all the reminders you set will be displayed for you, so it's not something you even have to worry about. So let's go in here and set a couple reminders and then see how easy it is to configure these. So when you want to set a reminder for a record in Contact Wolf, you need to edit the record. You can click on the edit button, or you can just double click here to show some of the information for the record. Click on the Reminders tab, and we'll go ahead and set a time-based alarm first. So click on the Add button, and we will go ahead and set it for today. Today is the 3rd of April, and we'll select the time option, and we'll set it into the future a couple of minutes, so that way you will see it actually trigger while we're doing the video. So it's 3:50 right now, so let's set it for 3:52, and we'll just call this, we'll make this a I guess we'll make this a birthday alarm for Albert. So we'll say hi Albert. So this will be the title. This will be displayed for the reminder when you see it. Well, since this is a birthday, we'll reset it automatically yearly, and we'll just say happy birthday Albert. And we'll go ahead and set a email reminder. So Contact Wolf will automatically send an email to the recipient address that you enter. So now that's set, and basically it's basically ready to go here. So just click the OK button and get this reminder in the queue. So now it's in the queue, and it's currently 3:51. We should see it display in another minute. You can go in and check the reminder and look at it again, and you see that if you look at the edit the record and see the reminder, there's a little email icon displayed there. And if you zoom on over, scroll on over, I should say, you'll see under send email it's pending. So that just means that the reminder is set and ready to go. So let's set another one real quick. We'll just set a date-based one, which means you won't even bother to set the time. And we'll just say, call this one today's reminder. And we won't even auto reset this one, and we'll just say my reminder for today, whatever you want to enter. Okay. We won't send an email on this one. This one's just for ourselves to remind us of something. How about my reminder for today to call Albert? And we'll set that. And now that's also in the queue, and you see that now Albert has 2 reminders set. And we'll just go ahead and click OK, and basically we have 2 reminders now set for Albert. Now, Contact Wolf, all the reminders are linked to the specific records, so you can set as many reminders as you like. There's literally no limit, and you can have the reminders automatically sent. Oh, there we go. So we just heard the time-based alarm. If we move over the screen here, we see the time-based alarm now that's shown for Albert, and of course it says, hi Albert, happy birthday, and there's a little message that says the email has been sent to the address, the recipient address that we put in there. So that's good to go. So all the reminders in Contact Wolf, they can be set for any record. And let's go in, and if you want to check your reminders, if you ever want to see what's been set or what's been sent, there's a little toolbar button here at the top. It looks like an alarm clock. It's just click on that, and it's just basically told us that there's another reminder that just triggered, and that was the date-based alarm that we set for Albert, and we can see it here. And this is just today. It says today's reminder, and basically you can see that that's just alerting you that this reminder has now triggered. Now this is right now we have this this screen is showing only the alarms that are due, which is the one that we just set. There's also an option down here to show all pending or due, and if you click on that, you'll see the time-based alarm that went off a minute ago, and you'll see that basically the alarm has already triggered, and email's been sent, and it's actually already been reset automatically for 2020, and to the future it automatically reset the alarm 1 year since it was a birthday alarm. So we can go ahead and close out of this. And basically that's it. It's very simple to set alarms in Contact Wolf. Set them for as many records as you like, and you can have them automatically reset when they are triggered. And it's pretty easy to do. So that's basically that's it for today, and I hope you watch more videos in the future. Thanks for listening. Bye.